Guys, today we'll talk about how can you activate balance on your Vinted app. We're going to figure out the solution on now how you can do that on your Vinted app. So all you have to do, just go down, you click here on profile down here, and you click here on profile. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on balance here. When you click here on balance, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do, just click here on activate balance, click on it, come to this list here, add here your first name, then here your last name. So then here nationality and here date of birth, then billing address, and you click here on activate balance. So then it's going to activate with you. So you add here so first name or last name to this person you want to confirmation. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.